Okay, my fans, I don't check comment section. Plenty people will say they no sabi balance equation. Okay, if you sabi balance chemical equation, raise your hand up. Raise your hand up. Now, raise your hand up, I see you. Only 3 persons. You know sabi balance chemical equation, raise your hand up where. Assas dey plenty. Simon, come count this for beg. Okay, you will sit down like that way. You need to raise your hand. You need to raise your hand up. You don't even join any group. Okay, I don't even know it. Okay, I understand your problem now. You don't know whether you know am or you don't know am. No, no problem. Go solve your problem now. I don't come now. I go break everything down. Anything you supposed to know for this now, I go tell you. Make I do small theory before I solve this one, or make I just go straight to the point. You say? Okay, I go straight to the point. Yeah, now make we run now. So we don't get this one. They say make we balance this chemical equation. What we supposed to do? I won't give you my own method where they work for me. If you know sweet you, if you leave am. And if I finish, I will give you something. I bet remind me before I come out here so that I no go forget. Might drop the one way you go do. Teacher no go fit do the one way simple. Can't give you the one way hard. The one I give you was simple. Make it easy and try learn. If you need more, you go put them for comment section. Okay, this one is sodium. This symbol is Na. Now the symbol for sodium be that. If you check the first 20 elements, you reach where sodium there. Now the symbol be this one. And sodium are metals normally. This one is now sulphur. Now we go know whether I'll call this thing. Sulphur na normal element. Now we know whether I'll call them whether na molecule of sulphur or no, because you get it. Any I won't call it concern, you know what you want. You won't balance this one. So we don't get another sodium where we get here. And this one, if 2 of them come together now, you know we call this one sulphur. Now if you call them sulfide, it's sodium sulfide. But all this one no be waiting will come now. So you get what you call reactant, and this side we call product. Reactant means say reactant. You be like a big, you going to break them down. Reactant be say this marker dey on your own, no. This other marker dey on your own, no. You can't say make you can't begin one join 2 of them together. So that process where they join together, then they react. As in they react, waiting go come out of 2 of them. Waiting they will come form as 2 of them react together. That's where they go form. And what we call product. You enter. I like and I draw small comments. So you say these 2 people now, then they react together to form. Is it say, yeah, you did on your own? Yeah, you did on your own. When they come here, they come mix together, they don't form product. Share, understand? So, but then if they come ask you, this as it be like this now, it balance. Now you go come know whether you go say yes or no. How? Sodium here, just do on your own. You come here now, you come they get 2 here. Where here, you no carry 2. Sulphur, there you carry 8. You come here, you no carry anything. You no balance now. So your work now to balance this particular equation. If you ask to say they get problem, I don't come to come help now. I mean, I like this video to share them because this one will make sense too. I go live for you. So solution, how I want to balance this one. See the way I take do my own now. I go first write sodium. Wait there for the yeah, now supposed to be. I don't think it's a reactant. There's a product. We will use left hand side. Because this one are left now. This one then be right hand side. The left hand side I get sodium, I still get sulphur. How many sodium will I get here? Now 1. How many sulphur will I get here? Now 8. Make we go the right hand side. They follow me small. I don't want to rush am. I know they do on small. Because na first video for this one, when I want to carry break that yolk where they get. So sodium here, now many? Put what you see. Now 2 we see here. Sulphur, now many? Now put what you see. Now only 1. How you want make sure say this sodium then get the same number, sulphur then get the same number. This one get 1, this one get 2. You know if you reduce to come meet 1. This one get 8. You know go feel reduce 8. Make you go instead you go one build up this 8. Make you this one make it big reach this 8. This one will be 1. You go make and say make it reach 2. How you want to do am? Might tell you something. They need to write something down here. As they no write and carry and can't give you. No be you go use and go put. If you want add anything, now back here. Now front here they add something. Now here they add something. You know if you go add 8, say because no balance. Because yeah, make it balance now. You can't carry 8, put here. I can't carry 2, put here. Say you know go write something for down there. Oh your ear now, they want yourself. Don't do that mistake. Oh yeah, make you run now. Make you start from sodium. Sodium here now 2 for this side. Here now 1. How I want to make here make it be 2. I tell you now, can't write 2 for back here. You understand? So you can't cancel this one. Write 2 here. So as I don't see 2 here, can't see 2 here. Sodium don't balance. Talk to me now. You no be you are the teach. Sodium don't balance. Come on hand for this place. You keep hand like this now. Who they bury? come on, you go know am. Na me dey dey run am with you. If this example no enter well well, I will do another example if you tell me for comment section, because I know dey house now. Know wetin dey your mind. You see say sodium don balance, abi? If you don balance, make you go for the next one now. But if you don balance, no mean say you no go fit go touch am. It depend on wetin dey solve. Make you dey do am. Come for sulphur. Sulphur here na 8 for left. If you come right, how many sulphur wey dey? Na just 1. And I don warn you, make you no put anything for this particular place. If you wan put anything, na this side you go put. You no go even come squeeze yourself, come dey put something for here, because two of them gum together. How I wan take make this sulphur make it become 8, as this one be 8? And for me to come here, come write 8 here, 8 here. Because anything wey I write for that place, e dey affect anything wey dey there. Now, I don balance sulphur. Sulphur now na 8. Sulphur now don become 8. Sulphur don balance. Okay, make we go through everything again. Sodium na 2. Sulphur na 8. Here, sodium no come be 2 again, no. Because you don put something for the back. Because e dey fight make e balance sulphur. That way you put for back so that sulphur go balance. E can't go affect sodium. Now, sodium come be how many now? This 2 wey dey here now go multiply this 8, because now sodium wey the 2 dey under. This 2 now go multiply this 8 to give you 16. So now, sodium now no come be 2. Sodium don increase to 16 because of the 8 wey go add. You add the 8 because it won't balance sulphur. It can't go affect sodium. Sodium now don increase because 2 go multiply this 1. It can't give you 16. As sodium don increase to 16, sulphur still dey for 8 o. Come back for this side. How I want to make sure say sodium meet up that 16? No say we dey follow up to meet up the big number. Now for you to use your hand, come here, my brothers and sisters. Change this 2 wey dey here to 16. Cancel this one, put on 16. You can't go back again, go check whether everything don balance. Na so you go dey do. So check sodium, how many dey? 16. E correct. Sodium for this side, how many dey? 16. E correct. What of sulphur? Na 8. Now we get here. What of this side? Yeah, 1 na in dey here. 8 times 1 na 8. Everything don balance. As it don't balance like this now, if you write this answer for your exam, it don't be good for you. It don't think good for you 1 second. No. Now so you take balance chemical equation, my fans. So as I want come out now, I tell you me remind me, it remains one for forget. Okay, make you do this one now. If you get this one, hydrogen, you call them whether hydrogen molecule, have been a molecule of hydrogen, or hydrogen will carry 2 for down, plus oxygen to we still carry 2, whether you want to call an oxygen gas or 2 molecules of oxygen, or anything I want to call them. Now which I tell you, it will give you, maybe put water where you dey drink. So you know say H2O, now be the water where you dey drink. So if these 2 things react to give you this one, check whether this equation balance. I don't teach you how to take check. Check whether it balance. If you know balance them and put them for comment section. If you get them well, you go know say you don't begin to sabi this thing. Now for us to do more 2, 3 problems, you can't begin to enjoy them, they go. Sure you understand? Sure, I don't try for you now. Make you share this video. If you never follow me, follow me. If I like them, like them. I don't go.